Here I have SHARP Aquos R2, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So what you have to do is to just eject SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. You can do it with just your bare hands without using any other tools, which is pretty rare opportunity. And here you just put your SD card and right next to it SIM card, just like this, and then you put it back into your device. Let's try one more time. SD card and SIM card, and then just like this put it back into your device. And as you can see, there's a notification: SIM card added, restart your device. Device will be restarted automatically. And as you can see, it requires PIN to unlock my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And as you can see, there's also notification that SD card found, and which is the proof that SD card is read too. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.